DOWN downloader is an application which will allow us to download these awesome apps. So click on downloader, the orange icon. If you do not already have it, get it, download it, install it. Downloader allows you to sideload applications onto your Fire Stick that might not be available on the Amazon store, but will be available on like the Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, let's go to the home screen, and all the way to the right side, the settings icon, come down to My Fire TV, and I have developer options listed. You may not. If you do not, click on About, and then on Fire TV Stick, click your select button on your remote about 7 times, and there it comes up. No need. Now you're a developer. And go back to the Fire TV settings under developer options, click it, and then install unknown apps. Downloader should be there, and turn it on. Now you've just jailbroken your Amazon Fire TV Stick.